Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to build an infinite stone and dirt farm in Enshrouded using a simple terrain trick. This method is perfect for gathering tons of stone or dirt without ever running out. Let's get into it. Start by crafting terrain blocks made of dirt or stone. Each block only costs 8 units of the resource, either dirt or stone. Now place those blocks anywhere in the world, stack them up or build a flat surface. Next, take out your pickaxe and start breaking the terrain blocks you just placed. Here's the trick. You'll actually gain more dirt or stone back from destroying the blocks than it costs to place them. So by building and breaking repeatedly, you'll generate an unlimited supply of that material. This works because the drop rate from breaking terrain blocks is slightly higher than the crafting cost, meaning you profit with every cycle. Use it to farm resources fast for building, crafting, or trading. And that's it. Now you know how to make an infinite stone and dirt farm in Enshrouded using this smart trick. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more Enshrouded farming tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and enjoy the grind.